Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today Hasna and Regi,
We'll be interviewing one of the people who will enter our company.
so let's jump right into the interview.
Hello,
Hello Zalfa, thank you for taking the time to come here today. I hope you are well. Before we begin, are you familiar with the position we will discussing today?
Hi, thank you also for giving me this opportunity. Yes, I have read the job description and feel that this position is a good fit for my experience and skills. And I'm ready to discuss the role further.
Okay, so we want to ask you a few questions. So the first, tell us about yourself.
Okay, I am a professional with a background in UI UX designer who always tries to combine creativity and dedication in every project to achieve the best results.
Okay, the second, what are you interested in this position?
I am interested in this position because it allows me to utilize my skills in UI UX designer and make a real contribution to the development of the company with my innovative ideas.
Okay, so describe a time you faced a challenge and how you overcame it.
When I face a challenge in meeting an important project, I prioritize tasks, work closely with the team, and ensured effective communication. As a result, we managed to complete the project on time with satisfactory quality.
Okay, next, what are your strengths and weakness?
My main strength is my analytical and creative thinking skills, which allow me to find effective solutions in complex situations. And my weakness is the tendency to focus too much on details. However, I constantly strive to maintain a balance between details and the big picture.
How do you handle stress and pressure, Zalfa?
Um, I handle stress and pressure with a structured approach, like prioritizing tasks, taking short break, and always trying to remain calm and rational in the face of challenging situations.
Okay, give an example of a time you went above and beyond for a customer or client.
Okay, while working on a previous project, I realized there were additional needs from the client that had not been met. And I took the initiative right to devise additional strategies without being asked, which not only meet the client's needs but also enhance to uh, the long-term working relationship.
Okay, so describe your ideal work environment.
Okay, my ideal work environment is a collaborative place where innovation and creativity are valued, and there is room to grow professionally and personally.
Okay, can you describe your design process from start to finish?
Okay, my design process begins with understanding user needs and business goals, followed by thorough research and data analysis, and then create user personas to empathize with the target audience. Next, I develop wireframes and prototypes to visualize the structure and flow. And these prototypes are tested with real users to gather feedback, which I iterate on the refine the design. And finally, the design is launched after user expectation and business objective.
What design tools and software are you proficient in?
I am proficient in Figma, Adobe Sketch, Photoshop, and Illustrator. Additionally, I have a foundational understanding of HTML and CSS, which helps me collaborate effectively with developers.
Can you share a UI design challenge you faced and how you solved it?
One significant challenge I faced was improving the conversion rates on an e-commerce platform. The checkout process had a high abandonment rate, so I conducted user testing to identify pain points. Based on the insights, I redesigned the checkout flow to be more intuitive, simply, simple the steps, and introduced clear CTAs. This redesign led to a significant increase in complete transactions.
Explain the difference between usability and user experience.
Okay, usability refers to how effectively a user can interact with a product to achieve their goals. It focuses on ease of use. In contrast, user experience encompasses the overall interactions, including emotional responses, satisfactions, and the broader context of use. While usability is a component of UX, UX covers a more holistic view of the user's journey.
Okay. How do you stay updated with the last UI/UX design trends and best practices?
I stay updated by following leading design blogs such as Smazing Magazine and Nielsen Norman Group. I also attend industry conferences like UX Week and participate in online communities like Dribble and Behinds. Additionally, I regularly analyze successful design case studies to understanding emerging trends and best practice.
Describe your ideal design collaboration process.
My ideal design collaboration process involves open communication and transparency from the outset. I value regular feedback from stakeholders and cross-functional teams, ensuring that everyone is aligned with the project goals. And I believe in an iterative design approach where ideas are continuously refined through collaboration and user testing.
Next, how do you measure the success of UI/UX design?
I measure the success of UI/UX design by tracking key performance indicators such as user engagement, conversion rates, task completion rates, and user satisfaction scores. And additionally, I analyze qualitative feedback from user to gain deeper insights into their experience and identify areas for improvement.
So far, what motivates you to succeed?
I'm motivated by new challenges and opportunities to learn. Success for me is when I can make a positive impact on the team and the company and achieve the goals that have been set with integrity.
Do you have any questions for us?
Thank you for the opportunity. I would like to know more about how the company supports employee development, especially in terms of training and skills development.
Thank
Thank
you
you
for
for
your
your
time
time
and
and
interest.
interest. We will be in touch soon with an update. Best of all, Zalfa. If
If
you
you
have
have
any
any
further
further questions,
questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We will be in touch soon with next steps.
thank you all for watching our interview today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.